Here's my 16-inch Victor airplane. This is an awesome fan. Looks fantastic. Polished aluminum, 6-wing blade, S-wire cage, loop handle motor. Although Victor was I wouldn't say a cheap fan, but a mid-grade fan of its day, they were still built pretty decently. This one, however, is missing its original switch and hardware, so it's been wired 1-speed direct with this inline switch. One of these days I'll get to restoring this thing. I've had it now for about 8 months. I bought it at the AFCA Mardi Gras meet from Stan. But normally 6-blade fans are very quiet. This one sounds like an airplane. It really does. And evidenced by my fridge, it does move a lot of air. That was the papers falling off my fridge. Alright, enough of that foolishness. It's a great fan. I hope to get around to it one day after all 850 other projects I got going on.